Hello, I'm Chief Pat Turner. In this video, we'll take a look at Incident Command System. If you have an interest in this type of information, please hit that subscribe button for me and ring the bell so you'll be notified when I add new videos. And most of all, don't forget to like this video. That really helps us get more visitors. The Incident Command System is a standardized, flexible, and scalable management framework designed to facilitate efficient emergency response and incident management. Developed in the 1970s in the United States, ICS has since become the gold standard for managing incidents of all sizes, from local emergencies to large-scale disasters. In this video, we'll delve into the fundamentals of the Incident Command System, its key principles, and its critical role in effective emergency response. ICS establishes a common language and terminology that all responders can understand. This ensures clear and concise communication among personnel from different agencies and jurisdictions. ICS is adaptable to the scope and complexity of an incident. It can be scaled up or down as needed, allowing for a seamless transition from small incidents to large-scale disasters. Each incident has a designated incident commander responsible for overall management and decision-making. The IC is typically the highest-ranking official on the scene. ICS adheres to the principles of unity of command, meaning that each person has only one designated supervisor. This ensures clear lines of authority and accountability. To prevent overburdening managers and maintain an effective supervision, ICS specifies that an individual should have a manageable span of control, typically no more than 3 to 7 subordinates. The development and implementation of an incident action plan is a central component of ICS. This plan outlines objectives, strategies, tactics, and resource allocation for managing the incident. The Incident Command Post serves as the physical location where the incident commander and key staff operate. It is the central hub for decision-making and coordination. The command staff includes personnel such as the Public Information Officer, Safety Officer, and Liaison Officer. These roles are essential for communication, safety, and coordination with external agencies. This section is responsible for managing tactical operations in the field. It includes resources like strike teams, task forces, and individual teams or units, each led by a leader or supervisor. The planning section develops the incident action plan, compiles incident information, and maintains situation status reports. It also supports resource ordering and demobilization. Logistics is responsible for providing the necessary resources and support to incident personnel. This includes supply, transportation, facilities, and medical support. The finance section handles financial aspects such as tracking costs, claims processing, and resource status reporting. The Incident Command System is used in a wide range of incidents and events, including ICS is instrumental in responding to hurricanes, earthquakes, wildfires, floods, and other natural disasters. It facilitates coordination among local, state, and federal agencies. ICS is applied to incidents like hazardous material spills, terrorist attacks, and industrial accidents where a unified response is essential. During public health crises such as pandemic or disease outbreaks, ICS assists in coordinating medical response, resource allocation, and public information. ICS is used to manage large-scale special events, such as sporting events, concerts, and festivals, to ensure public safety and security. When searching for missing persons or responding to wilderness emergencies, ICS helps organize search teams, resources, and communication. In wildland and structural firefighting, ICS is the foundation for organizing resources, coordinating efforts, and ensuring firefighter safety. In conclusion, the Incident Command System is a versatile and indispensable framework for managing emergencies and incidents of all sizes and types. By establishing clear roles, responsibilities, and communication protocols, ICS ensures that responders from various agencies and disciplines can work together seamlessly to protect lives, property, and the environment. It embodies the principle that a well-organized, coordinated response is essential for effective incident management and recovery. Well, that's it for this time. I encourage you to take a look at the courses on my website at chiefsclassroom.org. These entry-level firefighter test preparation courses are designed to complement each other as the student completes the curriculum. I look forward to seeing you in one of my courses real soon. Take care and be safe.